Previously on TWiT.
Mary Jo, I know you know Henhouse Brewing Company.
I've heard of them. I don't know if I've had a
across the street, but I thought you'd enjoy this one. Keanu is immortal.
Oh, that's perfect.
Windows Weekly.
You want to run the world, but you realize you can't get elected. Well, how much better than a global currency?
Set your sight a little higher. Your sights a little higher. Maybe like Bond villain level.
Yeah.
Like, I wanna run the world.
This is Emperor of the World. This is not president.
All about Android.
Could we nominate the Nvidia Shield for entry into the Android Hall of Fame as one of the most durable and used and loved products?
This sucker is still updated, and it came out in
carrying the flag for Android TV.
This week in Enterprise Tech.
There's no question that this has been an expensive year for municipalities having to deal with ransomware. Are there any sort of hard and fast rules that say, okay, it's okay to pay whatever the attackers want just to get the data back?
Hands-on tech.
I have right here the 10.1-inch on tablet, and I've been living with it for a little over a week, and let me just say, I have thoughts.
TWiT. Put down the keg and tap the TWiT.